Are you tired of begging for reviews that never come? Learn how to automate review requests in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting in Gumroad and how to turn it on with just a few clicks. First, head over to Gumroad's website. Once you're in, click on the Dashboard option in the top menu. Now, from the dashboard, click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings from that menu. In the Settings page, find the toggle for Review Reminder Emails and switch it on. After that, scroll down and click the Update Settings button to save your changes. And that's it. You're all set. Review reminders are now enabled. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.